subtitles are available, and if I speak too fast or if I speak too slow, change the speed of this video. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's class, I'm going to explain... No, absolutely not. No, Putin, get out. You're not supposed to be here.
I can stay?
No.
5 minutes.
Out.
Oh, okay.
Jesus, that guy. So imagine that you are walking to work in the morning. Your boss expects you to be there at 9. When there is an expectation, we can use this structure. Be supposed to do something. Everyone expects me to arrive at 9. Okay, that's the expectation. So how can I write this? I am, because me, supposed to, be at work at 9. That next verb is in the infinitive. I'm supposed to be at work at 9. That is the expectation. So I check my watch. No, 9:20, I'm late. My boss, the office, everyone expected me to be at the office at 9 a.m. Two important things. One, this is always in that passive structure. You don't change this. Two, if you need to change the time, change the be verb. For example, everyone expected, past, me to be at work at 9 a.m. That's a past expectation, so we change present to past. Easy. 9:20, I was supposed to be at work at 9. I'm so fired. Okay, no, 3 things. Pronunciation. You can pronounce this as supposed to. That's okay. Just make sure your pronunciation matches mine. Supposed to. Supposed to. You don't pronounce the ed. Supposed to? No. Supposed to. But casually, naturally, we usually just pronounce this like supposed to. So say it with me. Supposed to. The whole sentence, I was supposed to be at work at 9. Again, it's an option. You can pronounce it supposed to. You can pronounce it supposed to. Both are good. Let's do this next one together. Your friend invites you to the cinema. So you say, yeah, sure, what time? Your friend says, let's meet at 8. Great plan, I'll see you at 8. But we all know, your friend is waiting. It's 8:30, but suddenly, hey, I'm here. She wants to say, I expected us to meet at 8. How can she say that? We were, because it's a past expectation, supposed to or supposed to. Meet is the verb at 8, the expected time. We were supposed to meet at 8. What the hell? So she hates you forever now. So you go home, you cry, go to sleep. It's a new day. You feel great. What's the weather going to do today? Let me check my phone. A sunny day today. Amazing. Your friend asks you about the weather. What is the weather looking like today? If you want to know about the weather for today, what's it gonna do? Sunny, rainy, what? This is a very common question. What's the weather looking like today? He expects sun, so, well, it's supposed to be sunny. Great news. You go outside and it's sunny. You're so happy. But then, yeah. You remember that you live in England and it was supposed to be sunny today. Remember, you expected sun. So it's a past expectation. It was supposed to be sunny. Also, we talk about the weather as an it. Okay, let's use a negative. You are planning a surprise birthday party for your girlfriend. You want to decorate the whole house, so you invite your girlfriend's best friend to come and help. But, oh my god, she falls over. She's so clumsy that she knocks you over too. So silly. But then, oh no, your girlfriend comes home. This is a disaster. She's early. You are expecting her to come home in 2 hours from now. How can you say that? Honey, you aren't supposed to get home for another 2 hours. Really easy. Add the negative to the be verb. You aren't supposed to get home. Get can also mean arrive. You aren't supposed to get home for another 2 hours. You and my best friend? Is this my surprise party? Oh, she wants to say, I didn't expect you to plan anything. That was not the expectation. Remember, it's a past expectation, so you weren't supposed to plan anything. And she kisses you because you're an amazing boyfriend. Also, we use be supposed to when we want to give a rule, an obligation, in a more soft or polite way. For example, you want to say, the rule is you mustn't smoke in here, in a soft, polite way. So, you aren't supposed to smoke in here. You're just saying, the expectation is that you don't smoke in here. Easy, right? Okay, test time. You want to say, I expect to finish work at 6 p.m. How would you say that? You have 5 seconds. I'm supposed to finish work at 6, but I might be late. And now you're waiting for your pizza. The app said the delivery time was expected 20 minutes ago. Duh, yeah, I know. I was expecting it to arrive before now. How can you say that? It was supposed to be here by now. And finally, again? You're not supposed to be here, Putin. Get out.
Ouch. Ouch. But where am I supposed to go? Everybody hates me now. Where am I supposed to go?
I don't know. Not here. What do you think? Where is Putin supposed to be?
Ouch.
Let me know in the comments. And if you really want to take your English to the next level, you're supposed to keep studying. How? With the Ultimate English ebook. You can get it at the link in the description. It has a ton of extra English practice, so you can make sure all of this sticks in your head. And it updates monthly with more of my drawings, challenges, and tasks to take your English to the next level. And okay, if you like this class, you're supposed to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends who also study English. And I'll see you in the next class. Bye.